Back and come back now, I feel, I talk to her and I feel like I'm not lean. So I said to her, say, so feel like I'm not lean, and she said, no, it's not lean. So after you gone and everything now, I still thought, still I feel it, so I don't feel it in my mind. Wake up Thursday morning now, listen, I'm not lean. Everybody I say, what happened to you? You see I'm not lean.
Come see when Wednesday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And Thursday morning.
Thursday morning, and then now we go doctor yesterday, doctor said, sickness name bello Pasley.
You see it?
Me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Kino.
Twing tongue. Can I get a swing? Can I get a swing? So one tall and one short. So you have to stand up on the bucket. You know, if you're too high, you used to make them thing in my yard too, you know. I used to. Where's Donna? In the yard. Oh, now swing. Strong enough because you know what will happen after spikes. Donner. Listen, love.
What evening?
I want to tell us I'll come here and come on. Okay. I mean, a natural, so must link Donna.
Yeah, because we just see what the fellow call and call him and I tell him. And he says, you know, I'm telling you, no, you don't know.
No, because we just say what going.
Me I feel some pain from yourself, from where there. I mean, I wonder how the pain. So Wednesday now, we carry on go doctor and come back, and we come back now, I feel, I talk to her and I feel like I'm not lean. So I said to her, say, so feel like I'm not lean, and she said, no, it's not lean. So after you gone and everything now, I still thought, still I feel it, so I don't feel it in my mind. Wake up Thursday morning now, listen, I'm not lean. Everybody I say, what happened to you? You see I'm not lean.
Come see when Wednesday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And Thursday morning.
Thursday morning, and then now we go doctor yesterday, doctor said the sickness name bello Pasley.
You see it? Bello Pasley?
Yes, her name bello Pasley. But then she said to come back to after the medication. Buy one medication already, but we still have more to buy, but you don't have no money enough to buy. And if you go take a scan.
Oh, you take a scan.
Scan at 20,000.
And it look like a strokes. And them say no strokes.
And a strokes because she said must pull her hand. And pull her hand and she said no. She said use the next hand now and squeeze me. And squeeze her. She said no strokes.
And no strokes.
But naturally tell me say one man out there so did have like idea. See a way. Wake up and see him out later. And it better so we don't know.
So how long you feel a pain around your neck back where you say?
Around last week Monday I feel and pain and I said to Saturday so I feel and pain right so we don't know what happened. And she has said to me, say, Mom, some tell her use the olive oil and rub it, and she use the olive oil and rub it. And that's so. Now it does turn out now.
So them give you an idea what caused it?
The doctor said it's in the ear.
In the ear?
That come in the ear because people have it, people are catching.
You said earbound?
No, it's not catching. The way they just in the ear it there.
Oh.
So she said after the medication, then now it will go away. Must go take the
antibiotics?
Scan.
Antibiotics again. And you take a scan?
Yeah, I'm going to
X-ray.
take a scan. So the scan test at 20,000, she said.
Oh.
We have to find the money then now if we go take that.
One more thing after the other. One more thing after the other. After we ask for the support, towards the house and everything, and now come knocking on the door again, something else. I was so short already and funding towards the material as ready, because this thing take a life out of almost everything. You know what I mean? Because I naturally go get them. And that be too bad right now, you see me? So that's why I come and say, boy, we really need the support towards the house, and now you say you're going to need help towards your scan now, because it's that a health problem thing this now. So this is how tough it is right now. We really have to turn out the prayers for really see what we can get done, because
me have come on fast and beg her to beg them pray for me because we don't know where this come from.
Because we need support like anything like now, right now, as much as we could have get, no matter how small, in any way, because now, God, my idea say we need some support for the house. I know I say this now, it's a different turn, because tell me say, you're going to need to find that and you don't even have that, and what I'm going to tell you, let me say sometimes when it rains it pour, right?
Yeah,
so this is some of the obstacles that sometimes we have for us. Take your time, walk over there.
Somebody that tell me say minor stroke. We not say it too. And we say, well, that's where that come from. I not consider for nothing. I don't want to say I'm stressed.
Yeah.
But when she tell me now, say I'm a stroke.
Yeah, well, it's kind of a relief when you find out say it's not strokes, right? So that's a good thing. And another thing now is just the financial problem now what we have faced.
My face lean because the eye come down and the one up.
Yeah, drop true. Drop. Because when we see it, my first thinking was like a strokes,
You must say like how you show me and now me remember the youth come over there so with his face lean same way. And me ask my one, he said no, but he said the youth face come back too.
Yeah. Well, viewers, donors, as I can see, as I can see what we're facing right now, we're really facing the after effects of the pandemics right now, and the whole world are facing it. Right here, and the whole world are facing it, and there's a lot of pressure out there on the people them see me like with them and we likewise. And right now it's chaos out there in the world right now, so we have faced it same way. Right here. So in hopes and prayers, if anything can come up, because we've been asking, we've been asking for any form of support, so hopefully we can get some support for something, And that's what you say you're going to try your pastor as well too and say what them can do, you know, we can help out that situation there because as I say, we're really low on financial towards the house material and the zinc because just the zinc and the lot take a lot already. We're really low down. So that's why I'm asking, and it seems like we don't want to put too much pressure out there because the pressure is already out there. You know, so with prayers, you know, faith and patience, you know, things will happen. You know, so we have to just work with the tide right now and just go and sail with the wave. Because that's the only thing we can do right now because Father God now give it more than we can bear. So anything we go on now is what we can bear, we can endure it. You know, so we have to just accept it and face it. You know, it's reality. So it's less pressure. So we have to accept it. You know, we give thanks for we reach so far, we give thanks for what we have. You know, so but even if it stop, continue, Father God will see that He will see with you. You understand? Because nothing in life is perfect. Right? Nothing at all in life is perfect. Because they can see situation get more steep at times. Then I just continue prayer, continue with the faith, see me. Don't make nothing kind of discourage you, you see me. I'm not make nothing kind of discourage me neither. Because I continue see me. It's part of life. Things where it's unseen for us where we cannot do nothing about it because things happen where we cannot see it coming. You know, till when it happens we just accept it. Just accept it. You know, so just continue going with the faith, see me. Up there where they have to do some work, see me. You know, I put on the roofing and everything. So we still go and try to continue. So as I say, the program is a friend in need. You know, once we highlight them know so there's always a need there, you know. But we give thanks to you because it's more than a plus. Right, Donna? So you can just tell them anything you want to tell them and you know, give thanks to you, gratitude.
And thanks for all the donors who are supporting me and asking now if anyone could help me to do the scan test. It's 20,000. I don't know 20 how much. The doctor says over 20,000. So. Right now I can't find that amount right now, so if anyone could help me, that would be good.
So that's where the struggle is really real. You know, the struggle is real. It's really on the other side here. You know, because we're really down right now. Where I mean, you even say it, because it wouldn't be a problem if it was up and could have said, Donna, you can go and do it, but we're really down. You know, so. And the strength of the Almighty. So that's our lesson now, because the medical history is health that, you know, so that's sometimes come first because they cannot live in a house if you're not healthy. You know, you have to healthy more than the house healthy. So might as well you healthy first. So this is where I'm sure so you're really down, cannot even help you in that way. So you're seeking the help, hopefully prayers will be out, you know, and things can happen. You know, there's nothing perfect in life, so situation never perfect. Right, Donna? Alright, and prayers, just continue to pray.
Alright, thanks for coming.
Man. Oh, next man. No, to our next man up there.
No,
Natural, they say it's screw size. 3 by 4.
Natural.
3 by quarter. Pure nail.
Right on the board. Yeah, they're gone. How much you can come over there? Huh? How much? The board of the bucket to stop. I want to here. No, stop on the lad. Yeah, go up, so and get back over. That box on the ladder back. Do it for a back. Alright, now 3 inches also.
Yeah.
The box I'll put a cap in the back.
My capping.
Cap in the ladder back. Cap in the ladder back. What's the come here. No problem, that's a move as in. Can't try. A move as in. You want me going, man? Turn on it again and ship it.
Prefect.
Come in the circle, sir.
Colors. Come in the circle, sir, prefect.
What is going on? Work is going on?
Yes, sir, prefect.
Yeah.
Colors, colorful.
You know who said to dig you up, bro?
Who, bro?
Yes.
Who, bro? I don't know a lot of Michelle. Yeah. Okay. But remember, through them always watch a program. Say everybody watch a program. We're like family because they've been watching us for so long. Say come like family, you know, man. Fresh, clean. Cool, man. So ready?
Repeat.
Yes. Colors with the Nike bag. How you have in your bag? Now, the people have.
Jordan Marvin there for my bridging. Link Joe. I gave Joe something to give you.
You see what I go in your bag, the colors. The colors are all up on the bag. So, colors have 2. You bring a airport?
Yeah.
Take up on the plane as well?
I don't know if the British have a deal. You can't the British deal tell one night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright then, cooler man, sure. Yeah, give thanks. Give thanks. And the most man?
Yo, at the
Most
table.
man.
See girl that give me the 10 pounds. She's talking about the table.
Oh, the table in your house. With the ship. Sailing.
Yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna stay in the body a little more.
Yeah, you never know.
Program, yeah, you get me, bro.
You never know. You never know. Say so, we're putting up the first sheet of zinc here, colors.
Bro.
The first sheet of zinc. Yeah.
That's alright. That's right. So
That's right.
that's start me there. I can't get nothing more. Over there, zinc.
Next zinc, one more zinc.
Over there, the zinc.
Come in, boom, natural.
So you want your natural.
Not 2 inches down there.
Boom.
Not 2 inches down there.
How you been?
2 inches more.
Let's make 2 inches.
One step in, I think.
2-inch nail.
Yeah, let's make 2 inches.
Yeah, cause that's good see me. One more roofing going on to the house top tall pay. From the roofing gone on, see there one more again. Shelter. Shelter. Whoa. Shelter. I feel cool already. Shelter.
Shoot it fast. Don't let him up. Alright now, it's really record everywhere all the way? Yeah. All the way? Yeah. Alright, slide him over, son. Slide him over. We can't do that, I'm trusting. Slide over. Alright, good, watch it. Put that razor. Near. Gentlemen, when I'm on them, get a support and put that in this.
Oh.
What a support and
one board like this.
The two before I got a while ago. Look for it for me. See the right hand side, that one. Go for it, look for it. See that. Right there.
So boom up piece, yeah?
Boom up piece. Good.
Perfect. Aim perfect.
Nail on piece on it. I'm in that Hello. Hello. Tell me piece of board then. Tell me a piece of board here.
See there?
Yeah, come, give me this. Hold the board in this thing. See me? Put that ground. Put
that ground.
Take it down, and then come. See what I'm doing? So we're going to wait until some here now. And you're not yeah, man. Support this. Because it's the only one that support them. Give me some meat. This is the only board. No support. So, yeah, one more deal on you like that. One more for that. One more shot that for that two before. Rema, turn over the board. Yeah, go to foot. Lovely. Leather. Alright, these are perfect now, so let it come out of the post, yeah. These are the two before you here. Shoot it up there. No man, it's not two before. Yeah. Near it. Hold it.
Good. Well done, painter. Rum Lord.
Man drive near you out?
Yeah.
Die the practice your man drive near.
What is that? Joe, you want Amma Joe?
No, come on.
Friends in the building.
Yeah, all fans, you know?
Yeah.
All those, you know?
Yeah.
Try and make it possible, you know?
You know?
And my paradise, one love, you know?
You see that? Friends in the building. Joe.
Joe. Ah. Yeah. Say man. Yeah man. Send this to the upside down, man. See? I'm still. Stop on the fly. Stop on the fly. Fly. Stop on the fly. Stop on the fly. Watch the card. The end card. The end card right here. Watch the end to the thing right here. No man. Watch the card. Bounce the card. No man. No trouble this thing.
The card. Bounce the card.
Alright? Alright. Beautiful. Beautiful. I just feel I want to sing that song. Alright. Let's catch one at each board. Go down the line. Then use card line and run them in. You ready for one more thing? Huh? Go for another one, brother. Go for another one. Coming for. You think you're that stronger than first time thinking?
Yes, I. Moving time now. Roof and all stuff. Light box. Speed there.
Nice. See you this. Rooftop start to hold up and down, sir. I think you're the mine. But roof school, I'm not telling you roof school. Spin over. Alright. Light back. Take your anchor from there, sir.
You switch back him anchor there.
Yes. Move. Come back. Alright, check it out. Line up back. Yeah. Make sure now. Sure. Now hold it. Make sure. You sure? No. This is right side.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.